Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, welcome back to day 5 of 30 Days of Questions. Day 5. What do you think about the Briggs and Stratton engines that say you never need to change the oil?
My mechanic buddy and I pulled this lawnmower out of the box for the very first time. There was a sticker on the top of that engine, and it said that. It said, never change the oil, just add oil when you need to. And he goes, what's that tell you? And I said, that tells me that Briggs and Stratton is saying that these engines are so crappy that they're going to wear out before the quality of the engine oil ever makes a difference. But technically they were saying that our engines are so good that you never have to change the engine oil. That's a dilemma with who's reading that and who's believing that or not. The cost of changing the oil on those is like $3 or $4. They only take like a half a liter. It's $3 or $4 to change the oil on that. Why wouldn't you do that? Any small engine mechanic, if you take your lawnmower in to be serviced, even if that sticker is on there, they're going to change your oil for you anyway, even though that Briggs and Stratton says, oh, you don't need to, just to top it up. I think it's stupid. That's my answer. It's dumb. I don't really know what their marketing scheme was for that, but I think it backfired on them, to be honest with you.
Good answer, Steve. That's it for day 5. Stay tuned for day 6 of 30 Days of Questions. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you missed the previous questions, check the description in the bottom of this video, or go ahead back to our channel and you'll find it. And of course, turn on that bell notification.
Absolutely.
And I think that's it for today. And
I think we're done.
April and Steve out.